Today I'm making a Sindhi specialty that's called Sai Bhaji. Sai in Sindhi means green, and this is made with spinach and many different vegetables. I'm going to make it in the Instant Pot today. So I have it on the saute mode, and I have 2 tablespoons of oil in here, to which I'm going to add jeera, 1 large onion, we're going to stir fry this until it's light brown in color. I'm putting a large piece of ginger which I had chopped and frozen before. I also added a tablespoon of chopped garlic. I had soaked half a cup of chana dal for about an hour before I started the process to make the Sai Bhaji. This has been cooking for about 7-8 minutes, and it's a little bit translucent now and kind of light brownish. To this I'm going to add all the vegetables and the spinach. Here I have 4 chopped tomatoes, 2 small potatoes, 1 eggplant, and 2 chopped green chilies, which I'm going to add to this. A teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, and a teaspoon of cumin powder. Now I'm going to add half a bunch of washed dill. And now comes the king of the ingredients, the spinach. This is fresh organic spinach which I washed and roughly chopped. This is about 1.5 bunch. Give this a quick mix. I'm going to add half a cup of water to this and pressure cook it for 3 minutes. This is how it looks. Use a wooden masher like this or a metal one to mash this up. I've heated a tablespoon of oil in this. To this add a small pinch of hing and a few garlic flakes. And pour this on top. And our Sai Bhaji is ready.